Welcome back to Tool Bag Tuesday, where each week, some weeks, occasionally on a Tuesday during the week, there you go, I try to show you some tools that I use here in the shop. This week for you, I have a real short video and a real simple product. It's called the Sure Shot Milwaukee Sprayer. I just love these things. I use them all the time around the shop. I just keep purchasing more of them and putting different liquids in them. The best advantage is you buy whatever liquid you want to add to it in bulk. It brings the price way down. And then this one's not charged, so we can take the cap off. Gives us a fill hole, put a funnel in there. This one we'd fill with WD-40. It's mostly full already. Then you screw the cap back on. Pull the rubber plug or rubber cap off. It's got a Schrader valve like on a tire. You can put up to 200 psi in here. My compressor only goes up to 135 psi, so that's the most pressure I can put in it. And yet I've never had to refill these with air before they run out of liquid. And I use them all the time around the shop, cleaning parts with the brake cleaner. Make sure if you're welding, make sure, I say it all the time, make sure non-chlorinated brake cleaner if that's what you're using. But put acetone in them. That's probably a better product if you're welding. I keep one with shark hide in it for when I've got bare metal that I want to treat. And this stuff just works awesome. I don't think you want to put paint or something like that in them, but they work really well. And then when you're ready to spray off a part to clean it, all you do is push the thumb trigger down, spray however much you want. Take your rag, wipe your piece of tubing down in this case, cleans everything off, you're ready to go. So that's it for this week. The Sure Shot Milwaukee Sprayer. So these sprayers are about $45 on Amazon, and even once you factor in that cost, by the time you can buy your product in gallon sizes instead of lots of short spray cans, you know, at $3 to $8 a can, they pay for themselves pretty rapidly working around the shop. So I find a great use for them, and like I said, keep buying more of them just to add different product to them. They come in all kinds of colors. They actually come in different sizes as well, but this size runs right around the $45 mark on Amazon. So I'll put links for that in the description. I want to thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed another Tool Bag Tuesday, and we'll see you again next time.